Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. This is a panel I got from a reuse it store. I'm going to try and pour bloom over top. I'm going to use some green house paint for the background. It's just a mist tint that I bought. It's a satin. I had to thin it down a bit. It was a little bit thick, but getting mist tints in eggshell or satin is always good to use for a pillow paint. Doesn't always have to be white. Whatever color you like. I should show you the consistency of this. Probably got a lot on here. So I just poured some in a cup and added some water. It leaves a big trace. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so the colors today, I've got some yellows, copper, orange, purple, white. Debating what color to put down first. I'm gonna try the copper first. I'm just gonna do a bloom this way. Try and make it a bit oval, kind of. That's Pibio iridescent copper. This yellow is some yellow and gold mixed together. I'm trying to use up all my paints. So this is Winsor Newton Cad yellow with some Pibio iridescent gold. But I think I'll use some this is coral. I'll use some of this first. Sheleeart coral. Then I'll put some yellow. It's probably a lot of paint. Some orange. This is Bright Orange by JoSonja. I think this is two oranges mixed together. I think I put in some Cad orange also, just because there's two little bits left, so I mixed it together. Gonna use it up. This is probably a lot of paint. All right, so here this is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Just added a little bit of my water and varnish mixture. This is too much paint, but that's okay. We'll see what happens. And we'll put a little bit of pearl white. And I'll use my Amsterdam Oxide Black and Australian Floetrol. use my mini blower. Wow. Cool. More white on this side, but that's okay. I'll let the middle come back. I like the white mixed in there. Sometimes if you use an opaque color right under your cell activator, it gives you these peacock cells. Okay, now let's make some wow, those cells are gorgeous in the middle. push it this way a little bit. I think I just wrecked it. Touch up the sides. Cool. Wow, I love this. Let's see how much is moving. It's not moving much. I did spread it out at the beginning instead of leaving a puddle in the middle, and it helps keep your bloom on the canvas if you want negative space. Okay, I'm gonna leave this because I just love it. Oops, sorry, you're a little bit off camera there. What do you think? Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it. I'm gonna do some tiles like that. Beautiful. Well, I just love this one. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you stick around to the end, you'll see the dried result. Hopefully it dries okay and my canvas underneath doesn't bubble or anything. And I'll see you at the end, so stay tuned for the dried results. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you. Hi everybody. Well, here is the dried results. It didn't dry very well. Stuff moved. And I think that's because my pillow paint was too thin. It was probably thinner than my colors. And everything kind of moved underneath. So the cells kind of got wonky. But I think I'll do another one like this, but I won't thin down my pillow paint as much. It should be good. All right, thanks for watching.